In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add power-ups in Trello. If you're looking to supercharge your Trello boards and unlock advanced features, power-ups are the way to go. These integrations can help you customize your workflow, connect Trello to other tools, or even add new views and functionalities to your boards. The process is straightforward, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to add and set up power-ups to make your Trello experience even more productive. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to www.trello.com. Once the page loads, look toward the top right corner of the screen and click the Login button. Now, you'll need to sign into your Trello account. You can do this by entering your email address and password. Alternatively, if you prefer using a single sign-on option, you can select from choices like Google or Microsoft. After entering your login details, click Login to proceed. If Trello asks you to complete any additional security prompts, such as a two-step verification, make sure to follow those instructions to access your account securely. Once you're logged in, navigate to the workspace that holds the Trello board you want to modify. Select the board where you'd like to add a power-up. At the top of your board, you'll see several options. Look for the Power-Ups button. It's represented by a rocket icon. Click on it to open the Power-Ups panel. From here, click the Add Power-Ups button. This will open the Power-Ups directory, where you can browse through all the available integrations. You can scroll through the directory to explore different options, or if you already have a specific power-up in mind, use the search bar to find it quickly. Once you've located a power-up that interests you, click on it to view more details. This is where you can read its description, learn what permissions it requires, and check out any associated pricing information. If the power-up suits your needs, click the Add button to attach it to your board. Depending on the power-up, Trello might prompt you to complete additional setup steps or provide authorization to connect it to your account. Just follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup. After adding the power-up, you'll want to locate it on your board. Depending on the specific power-up, you might find it in the board header, on the back of individual cards, or as a new view within your board. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with where it appears and how to use it. Finally, if at any point you want to manage or remove a power-up, return to the Power-Ups panel. From there, you can make adjustments or deactivate any power-ups you no longer need. And that's it. You've successfully added a power-up to your Trello board, and now you can enjoy its enhanced functionalities. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.